Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Apple ID grayed out on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, Apple ID option grayed out, then here are the fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone and you can see your Apple ID at the top of the page is grayed out. How to fix this issue? We will fix this issue. So again on the same page, scroll down and go to screen time. Tap on screen time. Here scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and scroll down and look for the option accounts. Tap on it and here make sure that allow option is duly ticked. So choose allow. Thereafter we will check. Again tap on settings and you can see, tap on settings and you can see your Apple ID profile page is duly enabled. The one more method you can apply to fix this issue. The screen time and here go to content and privacy restrictions